The universe is always on your side, ready to make your dreams come true if you embrace its endless possibilities. Jesus once shared a powerful message that often goes unnoticed, yet it's filled with profound wisdom. He said, "Ask and you will receive, seek and you will find, knock and the door will be opened to you." These words reveal the universe's abundant nature, where you can simply ask and receive. But sometimes we wonder why our desires remain unfulfilled despite our countless requests. The key lies in a hidden truth, something we often overlook. As humans, we are incredible creators, shaping our lives with every action we take, from the clothes we choose to the music we create. When we ask for something, it's not enough to just express our desires through words or thoughts. We must engage our entire being. Our surroundings should mirror what we aspire to have in our lives. For instance, if we desire wealth but act in ways that contradict abundance, there's a conflict. The universe responds to our desires, only to be hindered by our actions. When we ask, we often feel a sense of need, signaling a lack, which the universe picks up on. But expressing gratitude is even more powerful than making requests. When we're thankful, we acknowledge abundance, and this feeling attracts more of it. So don't just state your desires. Ask with your whole being to align with the universe's laws. This way, ask and you will receive becomes reality. Negative thoughts like envy, laziness, gossip, and self-doubt block abundance. They deny the essence of abundance and can hinder your requests. Imagine wanting wealth while constantly doubting yourself. Your conflicting thoughts create dissonance that stops abundance from flowing. To fully embrace this, broaden your focus beyond money. Abundance is about more than wealth. It's about a mindset. Manifest abundance through your thoughts and actions, free from fear. When you doubt yourself or envy others, you sabotage your desires. Envy stems from scarcity thinking, but the universe's abundance. Feeling insufficient restricts you and hinders your desires' realization. Remember that the universe is always on your side. God and the universe are one, and they support you. Imagination is your divine tool for manifesting your desires. Believing in your imagination, you bridge the gap between hope and reality. Imagination shapes our world, and when coupled with belief, it can create anything. Your belief holds immense power. Consider waking up in the morning. It's not just physical strength that gets you out of bed. It's your faith in rising and facing the day. Let go of external circumstances and trust in the power of belief. Your past, social status, or education don't limit your potential. History is full of people who overcame adversity by harnessing their creative power within.